Most health apps make pretty big assumptions right from the start. They tend to treat everyone as if they're starting from the same place, with the same fitness goals, body type, activity level, and metabolism. Yet they often give everyone the same rigid plan. So, I've been checking out the High Diet app to see if its personalized setup actually handles these differences better. In this review, I'm going to walk you through how it works, where it excels, and whether it's worth using for your specific eating and fitness goals. Let's look at meals first. High Diet builds your meal plan around your activity level and fitness goals, with your calorie and macronutrient targets guiding the meals it recommends. The plan then gives you a structured selection of meals for the day, so you have a clear idea of what to eat without having to plan everything yourself. The plan is also flexible when your preferences change. You can check out the other recipes available in the app and choose different meals if you don't like the original recommendation. Each recipe gives you the ingredients, preparation instructions, calories, and macronutrient information, so you can see exactly what goes into the meal before deciding whether it works for you or not. You can also search through the recipe library and use the filters to narrow down your options based on the foods and ingredients that you prefer. This makes the meal plan feel less restrictive because you can make changes when you don't like a particular meal or simply want more variety throughout the week. There's also a shopping list feature that makes the plan more practical. Instead of going through each recipe and figuring out the ingredients yourself, the app brings everything you need for your planned meals right into one list. That gives you a clear idea of what to buy before you start cooking and makes it easier to prepare for the meals you've planned for the week. The plan draws from a library of more than 1,000 high-protein recipes, giving you enough variety to keep your meals from becoming repetitive. The app also includes a workout section for users who want to add regular movement to their routine alongside their meal plan. The focus is on low-impact activities that are easy to do at home, including body weight workouts, yoga, stretching, and guided exercises. The workouts are generally beginner-friendly and don't require much equipment, so they can complement the nutrition side of the app without making your routine unnecessarily complicated. Long-term progress usually comes down to daily consistency, and the app includes built-in healthy challenge. The feature gives simple daily targets to focus on, helping you build solid lifestyle habits step by step without feeling overwhelmed. The progress tracking tools keep your steps, water intake, fasting windows, and weight changes in one place. You can log these throughout your routine and look back at your data over time, making it easier to see changes in your activity, weight, and other habits rather than relying on memory. When you want more information beyond the meal and fitness plans, the app also provides a library of health and nutrition guides covering areas such as sleep, recovery, and general wellness. These are supported by content from nutrition experts, personal trainers, and psychologists. For more personalized guidance, the optional personal coach feature lets you choose from 6 coaches for advice and support based on your needs. There's also a couple of things to keep in mind. The first is that the progress is built around steady, sustainable progress. If you're expecting very rapid weight loss or significant muscle gain in a short period, the pace may feel slower than what you're looking for. I've already mentioned that the High Diet sign-up process is super easy and straightforward, but what about cancellation? In case High Diet won't be the right fit for you, canceling your subscription is simple and hassle-free. And if you have any questions or need help along the way, their support team is always here to assist you via email. Overall, I think High Diet does a good job of creating a more structured approach to nutrition and fitness based on your goals. If you've been trying to eat better or make consistent progress with your fitness, High Diet is a practical tool to consider. Meal planning is especially useful if deciding what to eat and staying organized is where you usually struggle, while the other features give you ways to stay active and keep track of your progress. If you'd like to see what High Diet puts together for your goals, tap the link in the description, take the quick quiz, and see the personalized plan the app creates for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.